Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our attention for its versatility and effectiveness, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer. We found this product online, and if you're interested, you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1? In essence, it's a multifunctional cleaning device designed to simplify your cleaning routine. It boasts three distinct modes, as an upright steam mop for your sealed hard floors, an extended reach cleaner for those hard-to-reach places, and a detachable handheld steamer to tackle messes above the floor, such as kitchen and bathroom surfaces. This makes it a great tool for whole home cleaning. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this steam mop. One of its most impressive aspects is its ability to sanitize using just water. That's right. It eliminates 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses, including those pesky ones like coronavirus and influenza, when used as directed. This chemical-free cleaning solution offers peace of mind, especially for families with kids or pets. Another highlight is the toolkit that comes with this steam mop. With 9 different tools, including a grout tool, scraper, brushes, and a flat surface tool, you can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with tight corners or stuck on messes, this device has the right tool for the job. When it comes to performance, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim heats water to high temperatures of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit 135 degrees Celsius, allowing you to cut through tough messes with ease. The Steam On Demand trigger gives you precise control, so you can focus on the mess without overdoing it and potentially damaging your floors. One of the most practical features is its slim design and swivel head, which allows it to glide around furniture and reach those tight spaces with minimal effort. This makes everyday cleaning quicker and easier, especially in homes with lots of furniture or intricate layouts. Additionally, the 25-foot cord is another game changer. It provides ample reach, allowing you to clean multiple rooms without the hassle of constantly unplugging and replugging. This feature is particularly beneficial for larger spaces or homes with open floor plans. When it comes to storage, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim is designed with convenience in mind. It includes a wall mount, so you can store it neatly and keep it ready for quick cleanups. This is particularly useful for those unexpected spills or messes that require immediate attention. Now, who is this steam mop suitable for? If you're a busy parent, pet owner, or simply someone who values a clean living space without the use of harsh chemicals, this product could be a perfect fit for you. It's also great for anyone looking to make their cleaning routine more efficient and effective, thanks to its versatility and range of tools. In terms of practical use cases, you can use the upright steam mop for routine cleaning of your kitchen and bathroom floors. The detachable handheld steamer is excellent for cleaning countertops, upholstery, and even refreshing clothing with the clothing steamer tool. The various attachments make it easier to get into those tight spots, whether it's in the shower or behind appliances. In conclusion, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer is a powerful, versatile cleaning tool that can help you maintain a clean and sanitized home without the use of chemicals. Its thoughtful design and range of features make it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks, making it a worthwhile addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.